you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be, I think, one of my first hack videos. All of these hacks I have experienced myself, come up with myself, but these are something that I use all the time, every day. I've been using them for years. So I think that it's about time I share some of these hacks with you. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications by clicking the bell icon. After you do that, go to options and select all so that you guys can be notified whenever I upload and whatever I upload. So also please follow me on all of my social media. They're listed in the description box. And with that, I think let's just jump straight into the video. So the first hack that I'm going to talk to you about is about the good old-fashioned coconut oil. You guys know that during winter it solidifies at room temperature, and for the longest time I have struggled with that. I would put it in hot water, wait for it to melt down and whatnot, and that's just, it's unnecessary, it's a struggle. I don't need to do it in the morning. So now what I do is I'll just straight up put it in a jar, and I don't mind that it is room temperature. Now a lot of you must be thinking, what kind of a hack is this? This is just common sense. I get that, but it makes the handling process so easy because it'll melt with the warmth in your fingers, so it's not a problem. And I really actually like using it this way now because it's easier to scoop out and it's just a lot less messy. I don't have to worry about making the outside of my container dirty because it's all solid, it's not going to get in here, and I really like that. Now why am I starting out with this? It's not complicated to put your coconut oil in a glass jar. Why I'm starting out with this is because I have started to enjoy solidified cold coconut oil so much that I put it in my fridge. I leave it there. During the summer especially, it feels so nice to have a cold oil massage. Every time they talk about a hot oil massage, I just get all hot and bothered. I do not enjoy that. I like a cold chumpy, and that's just so pleasant, especially when it's blistering hot outside. So this is what I do. My glass jar lives inside my refrigerator. My second hack has also got something to do with this same jar of coconut oil. Growing up, my mom has always told me, and this hack is totally courtesy her, so thank you mom, that applying oil while taking a shower is actually a lot more moisturizing than applying a body lotion after you've taken a shower. So essentially how it works is that once you've taken a hot shower, your pores are all open and like willing and happy to receive a lot of moisturization. You can just apply a little bit of coconut oil all over your body and rinse it off with the same warm water. It does two things right here. Number one, it gets absorbed within the skin a lot faster than a body lotion would later on after you've already dried off and you're getting dressed. And the other thing that's really nice, I mean it's just convenient, is that it makes your skin slick, right? So water just slips off, and when you're done with your shower, it's just faster to dry off. I know that sounds so silly, but it works, and anything to make the early morning rush, you know, a little bit easier. That's what I say. So these two hacks really, I use them every single day, and I don't think I have purchased a new moisturizer for the longest time. The third hack that I'm going to talk to you about today is how to hack your eyebrows. I'm finally talking about makeup. I know I took my century getting here. So I have very unruly brows. They are not easy to handle in the sense that I have bald patches. I need to work on them every day. But more than any of that, they just have a mind of their own, and they like to be like all over the place a lot. And I cannot keep investing in eyebrow gels. Number one, I don't get the color that my eyebrows are. I don't even understand what color to buy, but blonde definitely doesn't do it for me. And clear gels are just a little harder to come by. I have not found something that I've really enjoyed. So instead what I did was I found some soft hold hair gel. This is just by Park Avenue, but you can use any that you want. And I just ended up dipping an old mascara wand into it and setting my brows with it. That works so well, especially because this is a soft hold gel. It doesn't make my eyebrows crunchy, it doesn't make them glossy because this is not the glossy kind of set wet kind of hair gel, and there's so much product for essentially a very small price. Now the last hack that I'm talking about is kind of product specific. At Miniso you get a wonderful product called the Hyaluronic Acid Essence Toner. Recently I was just thinking about how I can create my own face spray, what I can do. And I decided that since this is a slightly sticky tacky consistency in this product, I can try and mixing it with a little bit of rose water or a little bit of aloe vera water or something like that and create my own makeup fixing spray. And guess what, you guys, it works like a charm. I put mine in a tiny little face mist jar like this one. I mixed about 2 spoonfuls of this with a jar full of rose water, and it works really well. It makes my foundation last all day long. It looks fresh, it's refreshing, and it's everything that I could ask for from a store-bought makeup fixing spray. But that is not all that this product is good for. So this actually is just the perfect consistency to mix in with your loose pigments, with your glitter pigments. It doesn't matter whether they are the cheaper variety, like the Blue Heaven one right here, the shimmer dust. You can mix it with slightly more expensive variety like the Kiko Milano pigments right here. You can also mix it with chunky glitter like this one here. This is from Makeup Revolution, full review coming soon. And it just transforms these products into slightly pasty, easy to work with products, and it helps them stick onto the eyes so well. As you can see, I'm wearing glitter today, and this is the product that I used. All I did was dip my brush into a little bit of this, wipe off the excess, dip my brush into the whatever powder you're using, and it just works. So these are my hacks, you guys. I have been enjoying these for a while, and I hope that you guys end up trying them out. If you do like this video, please give this a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and follow me on all of my social media. Again, they're listed on the screen, they're listed in the description box. Follow me everywhere. I hope I will see you next time. Until then, please take care. Tata.